Now, several lawmakers are under fire for selling major holdings at the beginning of this stock market sell-off.
In March 2020, Senators Richard Burr, Kelly Loeffler, Dianne Feinstein, and James Inhofe were all accused of using insider information to profit in the stock market.
It'll shock a lot of folks, but senators and members of the House are allowed to trade in individual stocks.
Either they're geniuses at trading on the stock market or they had some inside information that we did not have.
Insider trading by corporate insiders is a criminal offense.
This is one of the biggest shifts I've seen in markets of the past decade.
0 days to expiration options, or 0 DTE, have exploded in popularity in the last year. They allow investors to bet on stock market moves within the same day, which can result in big wins and big losses. Here's why 0 DTE options have taken off, despite being some of the riskiest in the entire market. 0 DTE options expire the same day they're purchased, which is why
they are some of the most sensitive to changes in the stock's price. So that's why you can see them zip higher or crash incredibly quickly.
While this concern is hotly debated on Wall Street, Kochuba says 0 DTE options have become such a large part of trading that when there's an unexplainable move in the market,
you can look at the 0 DTE volumes and movement in 0 DTE and understand that this could be driving those strange behaviors.
This type of options trading has long been reserved for professionals with sophisticated technology and tools. But in the last few years, retail traders have played a big role in driving 0 DTE trading volumes to record highs.
And thanks to tools out there now like Ghostboard, which allow retail traders to track the Wall Street volume and whales and follow them. These platforms give traders access to institutional trading patterns that were once hidden behind closed doors. By analyzing real-time data flows and massive volume spikes, retail traders can now spot when big money is moving and position themselves accordingly. This is leveling the playing field like never before.
And that just unleashed a frenzy of activity. And traders I was talking to were saying, we've never seen something take off the way 0 DTE trading has. It's really become a viral phenomenon. You know, when I was looking at hashtags for 0 DTE online, there are tens of thousands of mentions of 0 DTE just this year alone. A few years ago, there were no such mentions.
It's 2025. We have the data publicly accessible, and we have the advanced technology now to truly level the playing field for day traders. Gone are the days of fighting against the institutions. Now we can track every single order by the whales and easily find out when the next explosive move is happening. Here is the most recent example. Just on Friday, I saw an incredible amount of 0 DTE unusual flow alerts coming in for NVIDIA puts. This activity was definitely unusual and aggressive. A few minutes later, the founder of Ghostboard himself posted the flow in many different trading communities where thousands of traders are tracking smart money. A few minutes later, NVIDIA plunged by a few dollars, spiking these options up 200%. The smart money definitely knew the move was coming.
This is really the continuation of a trend the past few years as more people have entered markets.
But some experts think all this betting could mean trouble for the market.
There's a lot of concern from a lot of industry analysts and pundits that suggest that 0 DTE could kind of bring about an end-of-day scenario in markets.
That's because when professional traders buy or sell options, they also buy or sell stocks.
That creates worries that if there is a big move in the market and all of a sudden someone's doing a ton of buying and selling of options, that could ripple over into the stock market.
These big players leave footprints before every major market move. When you follow their lead, you're not gambling anymore. You're trading with insider intelligence. The difference between profitable traders and everyone else, they know where the smart money flows. Don't get left behind making emotional decisions. Track the institutions, follow the data, and trade with confidence instead of hope.